nating husgahan to na choice nila kasi hindi nila alam may choice sila. We call it awakening.
Yeah.
So sino itong mga taong to? No? Pinagtatawanan ninyo, ako hindi, respeto ako sa nila, ito yung pumapower.
Power. Ako, hindi ako tumatawa
Hindi ako
dyan.
rin, hindi.
Kasi ako,
Tropa yan.
the reason why I am where I am is because of the network marketing industry.
Correct.
Okay.
I have so much gratitude and honor with network marketing industry. Not only network marketing, people who are in the insurance, people who are in the real estate, people who are in the direct selling. Because why? They're not in the usual track, which is 9-to-5 job. They're in the unusual track, which is build your own business.
Yeah.
Now, in the awakening, you are not dependent on somebody else. Because in level 1, Culturescape, you're dependent on your employer.
Yeah.
You're dependent in the government.
Government,
But
company.
ito hindi na kasi you're on your own.
Ikaw na yan.
Okay? Now, ang tawag dyan, awakening. What's the word?
Awakening.
Which is nagising ka na yes, the world happens to me and I can choose.
Yeah.
That's the time they can now choose kasi alam na nila na choice ko pa na maging victim, but I can also choose if I remain victim or I take full responsibility with my life. That's level 2. So wag nating husgahan to na choice nila kasi hindi nila alam may choice sila.